Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to use Backtap gesture on your Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro device. Swipe down the notification panel at the top. Tap on a setting gear icon at the bottom right. Scroll down. Tap on a system. Tap on a gestures. Here you can see quick tap to start action option. Tap on it. Make sure toggle on use quick tap option on your device. You can customize your favorite setting using Backtap gesture on your Pixel devices. You can take screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or push media, see your recent apps, show notification, turn on flashlight to double tap on back tap. Also open particular app, tap on setting gear icon to select the app you want to open using quick tap. Also toggle on require stronger taps if you want to enable this. Just select the option. Here we select take screenshot to take screenshot on your device. It's quite useful to capture screenshot or use Google Flashlight on your Pixel device. Now you can see take screenshot to tap back on your device. That's it. Like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.